Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Lululemon hoodie. This is specifically the City Sweat Pullover Hoodie, and it's for men's, and this color is original navy. So big fan of Lululemon City Sweat hoodies. Let's show you what it looks like. Boom. Okay. Minimalist packaging. Let's put this aside. Cool. Feels like good quality. Where's the tag? Let me show you the tag. So there's the little pouches here, nice drawstring, and here is the tag. Again, this is the City Sweat Pullover Hoodie in original navy. And that's pretty much it. It's nice everyday hoodie. Cool. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time for the next unboxing video. Later.